If you're in your 60s or 70s and still stuck financially, watch this. If you're in your 60s or 70s and still don't know how you're going to ever retire, you're not behind. You're just not supported anymore. That was me until I found something that actually worked with my life, not against it. I'm Holly. Hi. Mom, grandmother, and business mentor. I hit 70 and I realized I couldn't keep working the way I was, physically, emotionally, or financially. But I wasn't done, and neither are you. I found a digital system with automation, 24/7, worldwide, mentorship, and 100% profit. And I built income that gave me my mornings back, my peace back, my life back. Here's the 3 simple steps. Start where you are. Tech skills not required. You just need the desire. Plug into the right system, a done-for-you business in a box, no recruiting, and no guesswork. Stay consistent for 30 to 90 days. That's when the shift happens. Comment, ready! If you're tired of asking, what now? This path works, but you have to take the first step. Don't let another season go by stuck in survival mode. Get to work from home and enjoy your fur babies every day. Say hi, Chloe.